support us, you can place commission or buy digital image. Link in the description below. Thanks a lot for your support. Dividing the general shape following the golden ration, your design will be more ballness and eye-catching. The bottom part will include many additional parts and position for aspling other armor. The upward part will be kept empty to ensure the lightweight.
When the core part was formed, additional parts will be assembled to make the base for joining outside armor. Pay attention on these whole design. The main function of these details is for reducing weight for the whole structure. Apply the same design language for the rest of design. For the next section, some of additional parts will be added and use the same design lang. After that, we will need new process to execute the processing.